Hello friends, one of my subscriber asked me through his comment that he want to know about architecture course, its scope and how to become an architecture. He had said, since from my childhood I was fascinated about making new types of building. Sir, I want to do architecture. Please suggest me what path should I choose to become an expert architect. Which degrees from which college? So in this video I am going to explain about architecture, how we could become an architect, what are its scope and how is the career. First question arises, who is architecture? So friends, architecture is a profession that is ever changing and evolving. A career as an architect has immense scope in India. One can not only work on designing and construction of houses and business establishments, but one can also enter in various fields of designing sites of exhibitions and sports events, creating unique lighting systems, designing landscapes, etc. Then, what is the job of an architecture? The job of an architect requires meeting with clients to determine objectives and requirements for structures, direct workers who prepare drawings and documents, prepare structure specifications, manage construction contracts and prepare scale drawings either with computer software or by hand. It means that an architect had to meet different clients to know what is their requirements of construction and give them drawing as per their requirement or need with the help of computer or by hand. What are the eligibility to become architect? The eligibility to become an architect is that we have to do B.Arch, and for doing B.Arch you must have 50% aggregate marks in 12th class with maths and English as compulsory subjects. And friends, there is also an entrance exam called NATA. Any student who want to do B.Arch, he should qualify that examination, which is called NATA. Most of the colleges also require candidates to clear architecture exams such as JEE Main, JEE Advanced and NATA. After doing B.Arch, you could also do PG or doctoral degree in architecture. For doing PG or doctorate, you are required to crack PG entrance exam like GATE or SEED. What is GATE? GATE means General Aptitude Test for Engineering, and SEED means the Common Entrance Exam for Design, which is being conducted by IIT Mumbai on behalf of MHRD, Ministry of Human Resources Development. And another thing, if a student who did 10th class, who passed 10th class and he want to do some polytechnic courses or diploma through a college, polytechnic college, then he could do that also. What are the types of job roles of an architect? After doing B.Arch, you could work as a construction manager, as an architectural engineer, as an architectural managers, construction managers, construction and building inspectors, industrial designers, landscape architects, interior designers, etc. Then what are the employment sector or industries for architect? in which industries there is a demand for an architect. After becoming an architect, you could find your jobs in corporate businesses, teachings, MNCs, consulting firms, engineering firms, product manufacturing, building safety, architectural photography. What are the top companies for architect? In the companies where you could find your job, few examples, few names are Architect Hafiz Contractor, Kembhavik Architecture Foundation, Shilpa Architects, CP Kukreja, Manchanda Associates, Oscar and Pony Architects, DLF, IMAX Architect Consultants, Jindal, Larsen and Toubro, John Slang, LaSalle Megraj, Sahara Group. And these are the few names, and there are so many local companies also to get suitable jobs for an architect. What is the pay scale of or salary of an architect? Friends, when you start working, you could expect a salary range from 5 to 6 lakhs in the initial level, and after having an experience of around 4 to 5 years, your salary increases from 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. One point is to be noted that the salary is high in private sector as compared to the government sector. It also means that an architect had both the options. He could work in a private sector or in the government sector also. What are the top colleges to pursue career as an architect? Friends, these are the few colleges: IIT Roorkee, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, SRM University Amravati, Birla Institute of Technology and Science Pilani, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bangalore, Lovely Professional University Fagwada, MET University Noida. These are the top colleges, but there are so many other reputed colleges in all the states and big cities also. You have to check and find out which college provides a quality education and better placement. So friends, this is all about the course of architecture, BArch. Hope that you would be satisfied with all these informations. If you have any other queries related to career, then you may ask through your comment, and I will definitely come up with a solution with a new video on the same. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.